Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add extensions to your Arc web browser really quickly to use them in your daily browsing here on Arc. So let us get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Arc web browser, and here on your home screen, simply click on that Arc icon in the very top left corner to access the Arc browser settings. And from that menu here below, hover your mouse over extensions, and here to the right select either add extension or manage extensions. So let me go with manage extensions first, and that is going to redirect you to the list of currently installed extensions in your Arc web browser. You may, for example, remove these or disable or enable them by switching them on or off here. So to add more extensions to your Arc web browser, guys, you may head over to the Chrome Web Store. Don't worry, you can access the Chrome Web Store also via Arc. So let me do that really quickly. Left click on it, and then you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure that you're in the extension center here in the top left corner. And after that, go with a category. So let me go, for example, with education for the sake of this tutorial, or let me go with communication better. And after that, select the extension you would like to install. So let me go with that translation extension here, DeepL. Click on it and confirm by clicking on Add to Chrome here. Now, of course, you will not add that extension to Chrome, but to the Arc web browser, obviously, since you're using and accessing it. So confirm by clicking on Add Extension here. And that is going to add the extension to your Arc web browser. Wait for a brief moment. And as you can see, and after that, the given extension will be added to your list of tabs here. So you may, for example, if that's needed, create an account on the given extension. I don't know if that's always the case and always necessary for each and every extension. So let me head over to the extension center, and as you can see, the given extension has been added and is also enabled. So you may, for example, disable it or remove it entirely by clicking remove extension here. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.